Login loop error on chip fix. If you're stuck in a lock-in loop on the chip app where you sign in, get redirected and then end up back on the login screen, you're not alone. Most people think it's a password issue, but here's the surprising truth. It's actually caused by a failed authentication token or outdated app cache. Chip relies on secure tokens to link your phone to your account. When these tokens expire or become corrupted, the app can't confirm who you are, so it sends you back to the login page again and again. Here's how to fix it. First, force close the chip app completely. Then, go to your phone settings, find chip and clear the cache and app data. This step resets the stored login information that's likely causing the issue. Next, reopen the app and make sure you're running the latest version. An outdated app can trigger this loop because chip's backend updates faster than older app versions. If an update is available on the App Store or Google Play, install it before trying again. When you log in this time, avoid using autofill or saved passwords. Manually enter your credentials and wait for the verification step to complete. If you're using biometrics like Face ID or fingerprint unlock, disable it temporarily until you've successfully logged in once. Also, make sure your device's date and time settings are set to automatic. Authentication systems like chip depend on synchronized timestamps, and even a few minutes difference can cause a login failure. If you're using a FAN or privacy filter, turn it off. Chip system checks your IP address for security, and VS can interfere with that process. Once you've done all this, you should be able to access your chip account normally without looping back to login. So next time this happens, don't panic. It's not your account that's broken, it's just the app stored session going in circles. A quick reset fixes it fast and keeps your savings goals on track.